here, getting ready to put the 3-point on for the second time, but this is the first time we've put it on to use. And if you go to do your 3-point, make sure you hook up your hydraulic hose. It's over in the upper right hand corner is where you need to hook it up to work your 3-point. But basically on the backhoe Kioti CS2410, you just pull the 2 pins. As you see, you just pull them inward, and the arms just have the metal sway bar, then a bushing that goes in between, and then you just slide it through. We're still trying to figure out the best way to hook it up. You just hook up your lift arms to your top linkage with just a snap pin. And then you just pull out the other side and repeat. The pins were a little dry. We had to wipe them off, and we'll hit them with some mystery oil. But this one we hook up the top link first, and it seems to help handle the weight a little better. So this may be the better way of hooking them up. You can just slide it in, slide the pin over, and put your bushing in, and slide the pin the rest of the way in, then into the lift arm. Seems to work better this version, so we'll probably do it this way from now on, by hooking up the top link first, then putting the pin through the bottom lift arm. Seems to work better. To install your top link, you just pull your pin, slide it through, put your clip pin back in, and it's got a storing wire that you pull down from underneath the fender to hold your top link. And that's all there is to putting it on the CS2410 that has the backhoe mount on the back. And that's how high the arms lift. They seem to lift pretty high up. And just a note, if you go to put your drawbar in, lower your arms a little, and it lets them go wider. But the drawbar fits perfectly fine. And we got to go to the shed and get a pair of pins for the drawbar. But it lifts up fairly high and goes down almost right to the ground. It seems to do pretty nice up and down on the lift arms. thank you for checking out our video and that. Please check out these other great YouTube channels. I consider them friends and they have great videos. Please check them out, and I guarantee you'll love their videos. Have a nice day. God bless. Bye.